the amount of coffee I need to function. Yo.
Hello everyone and good morning. It's Vlogmas day 20. Oh my god, we've hit the 20s. That's so crazy. I know that I fly on the 20th. So when you're watching this, I'll be in Oregon, question mark. I think I'm gonna edit this one on the plane and upload it later in the day. So I'm back home, which is exciting. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see stories with Paula and George before the vlog. My last day in New York before I head home. My last day in New York of the whole year. Getting ready for work because I'm going to work today. It's my last day in the office of the year. It took me so long to get out of bed. I snoozed my alarm so much. I didn't even stay up that late and I'm just a mess. So much I need to get done today. I don't even know how, like, if this vlog's gonna be interesting. Packing up stuff at work, all that. So I wanted to leave here early because I need to take something to the post office, errands kind of stuff, which I guess I could do that. Oh no, I have lunch plans, so I can't do that at lunch. I don't know. I mentioned a few things about work and like the future of my job and stuff that I probably just shouldn't have said because I'm not ready to talk about it. This isn't going to be like my job update video. It's just still in the works. Like, I don't want to say anything before it's definitive. But yes, this is my last day at UNICEF for this year, for sure. I'm still gonna be working, just not here. Like, I'm gonna be working remotely at home. Because the nature of what I do is social media, it doesn't really like stop on holidays. But what I can do is just do work ahead of time and have it ready to go up on the holidays so I don't have to physically post it then. I'm kind of doing a lot of pre-posting and doing some like end of the year report stuff. Today will be kind of crazy. But I fly tomorrow morning. I think my flight's around 9:20, I want to say. Not as early as my last one, thankfully, but still I have to get up and get out of here pretty early just to make sure that I beat like the holiday rush. Not beat it, but like, you know, join it. My skin is so dry. It is literally 17 degrees Fahrenheit outside right now. I don't even think I have clothes that are that like cold appropriate. Also, where I'm going, I have to pack for going home to Oregon, where it is pretty much the same weather there. Not as cold, but it's like 30s and there's gonna be some snow on there, I think. But then where I'm going for New Year's after Christmas is a little warmer, actually. Not like tropical warm, but it's definitely not 30 degrees. So that's nice. I don't have to pack like tons of sweaters and winter coats and everything for 2 weeks. I don't have any plans for after work because I knew that I haven't really started packing. I have some stuff in my suitcase that I just never unpacked from Thanksgiving. I'm just gonna come straight home, I think, and pack as much as I can so I can get to bed early, so I can get up early to go to the airport. I can't believe it's 17 degrees out. I don't even know I don't know how to act. I'm drinking from my Vlogmas mug for the last day of Vlogmas in New York. There's like 5 days until Christmas when you're watching this, and I'm pale as hell. I'm packing up my makeup here while I get ready. I use the St. Tropez self tanner. A lot of people were, not a lot, but I got some questions about my self tan routine when I talked about it last time. And it's really not much of a routine. I just use the tanning mitt from St. Tropez and the tanning cream. I'll show you tonight. What's been working for me best is because I don't really have much time where I'm actually like at home. Like if I was working from home, I could put the tanner on now and then wash it off in a few hours. But what I found is easiest for me is just when I come home at night, put on the tanner and then just sleep in it. And then usually I'm only sleeping like 5 or 6 hours before I like get up to rinse it off. So it's fine. I wish I'd got a travel size of it so I could bring it with me for my trip, but whatever. That's the update. I've been talking for way too long. Cheers to that. Last work outfit of the day of Vlogmas. I Kim Possible look today. I have another long sleeve layered under it because warmth. And these corduroy pants are Princess Polly, so nice khaki. Black Princess Polly booties. This is the full look. My last outfit of the day. And of course I'm happy the sun is shining, but I need to go because I wanted to leave early and I'm leaving rather on time for once instead. This is the post office that I saw on maps. What? It's literally a truck. Okay, just kidding. I'm such an idiot. Okay, yeah, this is much more spacious than the truck. Here we go. I made it home and I stopped at the Hallmark store and got a couple cutesy little
cheesy New York things that I didn't want to show you because I know my parents are going to watch this. I got a little box in the mail from my management. I'm just all bundled up. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Aww, happiness comes in waves. These boxes are adorable. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Kristee. You rock. We love working with you. Excited for... Oh! I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything, but I got a sticker. I got a hat. Wait, you guys, I was literally just saying that I need a beanie of some sort. This is like decked out. I also just don't look at hats, we know this. Table rock on it. And a pin. Oh no, it's a keychain with a little surfboard. Wow, they really love doing merch. It's very cute. Oh my god, yeah, the box has table rock on the inside. Who designed this? A little box. Oh, it's like a coaster. Cute. I'll add it to, this is like a wooden nice coaster. Oh no. Wait, I am so confused. Okay, it's not a coaster. It has a cable in it. I think it might be a wireless charger. Oh my god, yeah, inductive charger. Wait, how cool. Looks nice on your bedside table and it looks like a coaster. I'm gonna go text him a thank you and put on my beanie because I'm freaking cold, you guys. Today the high was 27. And I know me saying this is inviting all of the I live in Minnesota where it's negative 500 degrees comments. And I know, I don't have it worst, but I'm not used to this. I'm glad to be going to Bend where it's like 5 degrees warmer. I feel like I have so many things that I want to talk about, but I'm just like not ready to. I feel like this is just pointless for me to say right now, but like I want to have a sit down chat and just like update you on everything. But I know that I don't want to say anything prematurely. I need to pack. Honestly, I'm feeling fine about it. Hiccup. I'm not feeling stressed at all because it's still early. It's like 6:30. I think I'm just gonna take like 30 minutes to chill out, eat some crackers and hummus, charge my phone on this inductive charger. That's very cool. And watch some YouTube videos and just like let myself be for a minute and exist. And then we'll get to packing, which I will vlog the process of because that's kind of what this vlog is. I'm sorry this vlog's kind of boring. Getting ready to go. I need to set my alarm bright and early. I already checked into my flight, but I didn't get a seat number, which is weird. Like it said request seat and the only one left was like a middle seat in the back. But I'm already checked in and I'm confirmed on the flight. So I'm like, does this mean they'll assign me a better seat if I wait? I don't know. Happy holidays. I got a charger. Much later, I got a lot of stuff. No, not stuff I needed. Well, I got caught up in like YouTube work stuff and email stuff and blah, blah, blah. It's been like a couple hours and I haven't done anything for packing and I'm now getting stressed. Of course, it's like the turtle in the hair situation where it's like, oh, I have so much time. Let me do all these other things. And then suddenly I'm like, I wish I was asleep, but I have to pack. I still have to wash my hair, put on tanner. So this is the Saint Tropez mitt because I use the Saint Tropez tanner, which I'll show you. But first, I'm gonna shower and shave and exfoliate and all that. Can't forget my passport. This is where I keep it. It's like under this thing. We leave in the country, kids. Not tomorrow, but next week. What I'm gonna do, my brain is like going in a million directions right now, is set aside the shoes that I want to take. I want to bring both the black booties because these ones are just cuter and these ones are more like weather proof. Probably end up wearing these on the plane because they're the bulkier of the two. I think I'll choose one workout shoe and it'll probably be the flat ones because these are better for leg day. We are breaking out the thigh-high boots, people. I never wear these. I really should. They're so cute though. They're from Target. They're about 50 bucks. So 3 pairs of black boots. LOL. What I'm gonna struggle with is the amount of coats that I want to bring because I have so many that I love, but I don't have room for them all. So I just put self tanner on my legs and torso so I could put this little towel on. Saint Tropez bronzing mousse. I have the Self Tan Express. So it's meant for 1 to 3 hours, but like I leave it more than that. Actually, I got this one on Amazon. I'll put it on my Amazon page, link down below if you guys want. Actually, I got this one on Amazon. I'll put it on my Amazon page, link down below if you guys want it. So I already did my legs, so it looks gross, but I'm just pumping some. It's a mousse, and I just honestly go in and kind of just go in circles, like lightly around and try and go fast because it dries pretty quick, which is nice because then it doesn't get like stuck on stuff, but you want to make sure it's blended right so you don't have any lines. Kind of lightly do it on my wrists, but I'll wash my hands after to make sure it doesn't get like too, and it develops after a few hours, so it'll get darker and darker. For my face, I always add a little moisturizer for a barrier so it doesn't get too intense. I just pump some on, do like a dab. Oh fuck. My face looks ridiculous, but again, it's not gonna stay like this. And I usually rinse my face off before I go to sleep. I look crazy. So that's my self-tan routine. I'm not very good at it. Whenever I tell you anything, I'm never a pro. But I just do what I do and I film it and get criticized for it. So that's life. I haven't been updating you on the packing process because I'm an Oompa Loompa and I have whitening strips in. Packing up my backpack with my makeup is in there, wallet, such, sunglasses, throwing things on top of my suitcase. I packed like underwear, some shorts for like underneath dresses and stuff because I'm not really sure what I'm gonna want to wear underneath my New Year's dress, which I haven't been able to try on because it's in the mail. I'm trying to decide what to do about the coat situation because I just don't have room. I actually think I want to bring my like blanket coat from Free People, so I might wear this on the plane because it's just so comfy. Maybe I'll bring like my white puffer. I don't know why, I just don't feel like bringing any of these. So I guess this video is less than helpful because I don't actually have a method to the madness. I'm just throwing random shit in a suitcase and saying it with a lisp while I look like an Oompa Loompa, so that's where I'm at. Just touched up my toenail polish and simultaneously I'm packing toiletries in this little guy. Like shampoo, hair stuff, razor, lotion, I don't even know. And this thing is pretty much always here, but I'm like making sure I have everything I need in it. I also have jewelry in here, like rings, which is pretty much my only jewelry. These will pretty much go in last after I get ready in the morning. I decided that I'm gonna wear this guy on the plane tomorrow because it's so comfy. Here I have my leggings already and a bra. I have to decide what top I want to wear with this, and I'm gonna wear my chunky boots. I have bottoms I'm gonna pack. So I'll put these over in my suitcase. Buried in here is my gym bag. So I'm gonna take a couple things from here. Pretty much just my resistance band to take at the gym. I think my lock. Pulled out this sweater with a drawstring in the front from Princess Polly that I'm going to wear on the plane tomorrow. Then I'm putting workout clothes in the outside pocket. In the summer I used packing cubes, but I just don't think it'll work with like sweaters and such. And then try and choose some tops last minute and call it a night because I really need to sleep. It's past 11:30 now and I'm tired. And we got an early morning. I set my alarm for 5:30 and 6. Number 20 is one on the window, and these are my least favorite because they're hard to get leverage. Oh, that was easy. Do 3 extra tasks without being asked. Dude, I don't even have time to do below minimum number of tasks. Watering my plant because I'm about to leave him for like 2 weeks, so I'm kind of worried. Oh, I wanted to pack my black and white scarf. Oh, you guys. I just want to bring everything in my entire closet, and then I wear like one fraction of it. It will have to be stuffed tomorrow. Packing for 2 weeks in cold weather is not ideal. Okay, well, that is a wrap on my packing last day in New York vlog, leaving UNICEF for the year vlog. It's now midnight. I am hopefully gonna have my head on the pillow before like 12:10, and I'm going to wake up bright and early to rinse off my tan, pack up last minute things, straighten my hair, and grab an Uber to the airport. If you enjoyed this vlog, thumbs up. I know it wasn't actually like helpful tips packing, and I just realized I'm gonna be probably in a middle seat editing like footage of me in a towel with self-tanner on. So that's good. Thumbs up for that if you feel sorry for me. And I'll see you in my next vlog tomorrow when I'm back home in Oregon. Literally in 12 hours. I'm gonna be on the plane. Literally in 8 hours. I'm gonna be bored. Good night. This one's really smoky, fireside.